inside edge movement skills, outside edge movement skills. Inside edge is shuffle and directional step, or some people call it cutting. So if I'm in a shuffle, for instance, I'm going to push with the inside edge of this right foot to push me left, and vice versa. But if I also do what's called a directional step, so directional step is this. If I want to go back in this direction, so I'm just here, directional step is that. So inside edge of my left foot finds an angle, and I just step with my right. Now again, you don't teach that, people do that naturally. If I line up all the athletes, if I line up people and say, right, set, base, go, they're all going to do that. They're all going to do that, okay? Now I was very confused because I was taught to do this at crossover, okay? To go there. Now this is the thing, crossovers aren't wrong and directional steps aren't wrong, it's just when to use them. I always use the example of rugby. If I'm a winger in rugby, okay, and Sexton kicks the ball in there for Tommy Bowe to chase it down, like a high one into the corner, you know, to chase it down, or if a ball breaks over my head, I just have to get to the try line. So what I'm trying to say is, if I just have to get from here to there as quick as possible, that's when a directional step is what you're going to use. So look, if I'm just here, okay, you won't use a crossover there. When you will use a crossover is when you have to go with a 45-degree angle, or if you're in a kind of more defensive position. So for instance, if I'm here and I'm defending, and then I have to do that, that's a crossover there. See that?
Yeah.
That's a crossover. So you might end up doing something like this. Like you might end up doing, I'll do it here. So you might be here, crossover, and then you're done. Okay? That's when you might need to use a crossover. And again, your body will naturally figure that shit out most of the time.